Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I am coming at you today with a very small Etsy diamond painting haul. I ordered from a store on Etsy called Bunny Diamond Painting. The shipping was super quick, and these are probably two of my most favorite diamond paintings to date. I wanted to first show you how they came packaged. So both of the diamond paintings were wrapped in this wrapping here and in a small black packaging uh, packaging shipment bag. And so I took these out of the shipment bag, and they just look like this. This is how the kit comes. And I'm going to take both of these out and just show you how gorgeous these are. As you can see from this one, the first icon we're going to be unboxing is Prince. I'm having to do a voiceover because the original video I filmed for this messed up. But these two diamond paintings are going to be from a company called Bunny Diamond Painting over on Etsy. I will show it again, the name of it again on the second half of the video. But this first icon that I'm unboxing is Prince. And I love this canvas. I love the purple. It's a representation of Purple Rain. I love everything Prince stood for. He's one of my favorite artists and singers of all time, one of my favorite writers of all time. He's just brilliant. The canvas came with a color key, which is fantastic, an inventory sheet. Looks like there's about 38 colors there. I had some issues when I was peeling back the film of this canvas. The film was very, very thin, and I was trying to smooth it out using my little putty scraper that you'll see, and I ended up ripping the film horribly. And so what I had to do was I had to end up taking the film off completely and just putting wax paper sheets over it. The paper didn't even, the film didn't even need to be smoothed out. So I just wanted to test out this little putty scraper that I got from Harbor Freight. But it didn't need to be smoothed out. So I caused myself problems that I didn't need to cause myself. But you're going to see that here. And the key is on the canvas, which is beautiful. I think there's numbers and symbols. And the depiction of Prince is very accurate, very on point. His skin looks beautiful as it does, or as it did in real life. And his hair is on point. That whole picture is just stunning to me. I love that image of Prince. This particular company had another image of Prince that I didn't pick up because of the amount of confetti that it had. This canvas has some confetti in it too, but not something I can't handle. As you can see, this is me struggling with the film on the canvas. This is my first time where I ever had film that was like sticking to the canvas. I couldn't peel it back. I couldn't straighten it. But again, I caused my own problems. It's no reflection of the company. The company is brilliant. These diamond paintings were only like $15 and the quality is very good. The shipping was super fast. And then they sent me a discount code to shop again. So I would highly recommend you shop from Bunny Diamond Painting over on Etsy. And I absolutely love this portrait. I'm not sure when I'm going to end up doing this one. But it will be sooner than later. And I do love the depiction and the accuracy of Prince. The drill field is clear on this one. And I'm trying to show you there that it's clear. We have some special colors going on his jacket there. It looks like it's going to be some type of a special brooch, which is exciting. I can't wait to do that. I love everything about this picture. Prince was so fly, and he was so for the people, and he was a no nonsense type of a guy. And he just his artistry, it means so much to music culture and especially to Black culture. So this is me struggling again, and me just saying at this point, I think I'm saying I'm just going to take it off. I'm just going to take it off, and I'm going to put on my wax sheets. Looks like I was still trying. I just messed it up. I just messed it up. But it's very thin. This is one of the thinner sheets that I've ever dealt with on a diamond painting canvas. And I see why people talk about thinner sheets versus thicker sheets on these diamond painting canvases. I see why that's important to people now. Because I don't like them this thin. I've never experienced this much trouble with the film. But again, it was issues caused on my part, but it tore very easily. I've just never had film tear like this. Even though I was handling it, it was a rough go with this one. It was a rough go with this one. But I ended up taking it off. I used wax paper sheets. I'm going to cover this whole painting with wax paper sheets from Hobby Lobby is what I'm going to show next, I think. I ended up covering it with wax paper sheets, and I'm going to roll him back up and put him away. The wax paper sheets will protect the canvas until I can get to him. So the canvas is very sticky. I will say that the canvas is very sticky, which is a good thing. So no complaints there, because you want your canvases very sticky so that the drills can fit on there. So the stickiness is good. It's very good on these canvases, but it was sticky. So that's what I ended up doing for this one. I'm going to roll him back up and put him away. These diamond paintings also did come with stickers. Since I'm re-recording this, you may not actually see the stickers, but they were like I love music stickers, like little vinyl stickers that the store included in my packages, which was really nice. So yeah, it looks like I don't even remember doing this. Oh, the drills are pre-bagged. That's what I also love about this particular company. They pre-bag the drills. So I still have to use the key and put my own stickers to match the 38 and the 34 and the 31 to the proper symbol that's on the inventory sheet. So I will have to use my own stickers for that. But I do love that these are pre-bagged, because of course you can travel very easily with them, and I don't have to use a separate kitting system. I can just use these bags, open them, pour out what I need, close them, come back to it, that type of a thing, and just keep the wax paper sheets with me so that I don't have any issues. But yeah, I love this canvas. I love the depiction of Prince. I love the customer service that I received from Bunny Diamond Painting. It does come with the kit, the tray. You get a wax pencil and some nice pliers. Those were nice weight, not pliers, but tweezers. And you get a grip. You get the stylus with both ends. So that was nice. You get a stylus grip, and you get even more baggies in there and some wax. So that was very nice. And that should be it for this one. I'm going to open Pac again. I'm going to open my Tupac one for you to see as well. Okay, guys, we are about to unbox Tupac. I decided to do another voiceover since this was already recorded. Already had the footage. These are some more of the stickers that the seller included in my packaging. The seller loves music and the seller loves diamond painting. So that's why you can buy diamond painting canvases of different artists, different music artists in their store, which I think is a really, really great idea. And this is our superstar, Tupac Amaru Shakur. I do love him very dearly, almost as if I knew him. He's my favorite rapper of all time, dead or alive. And in my top 3 favorite icons, my top 3 favorite artists are Bob Marley, Tupac, and Stevie Wonder. I would love a diamond painting of Bob Marley next. So I'll probably go on the hunt for that. I love this picture of Tupac. This is a very famous pose of his that you will see a lot in a lot of pictures of him. There is confetti on this, but I'm definitely going to push through it for Pac. Me and Pac were both born in June, so we're both Geminis. And so I'm planning on making this my birthday month diamond painting. If I do that, this will be the only diamond painting I complete that month because I have so much planned for June. I don't even know if I would be able to do this. This is very big for me. And originally I thought my first bigger diamond painting would be my capybara one, because I really do love that capybara diamond painting from Michaels. But I love this Tupac one way, way more. So if I do a larger diamond painting in June, it will be this one. I do love the crown. I love his skin complexion. I can't wait to see how the drills show up for his skin tone and for Prince's. So we'll see how that turns out. But I have good feelings about it. I love his bulky rings on his fingers there, his hat to the side. This was so Tupac. I don't see the nose ring as clearly. I forgot to look for that when I was doing this live, and I didn't zoom in to see if I could see that nose ring, but I think it's there. I do see a gold piece on his nose. That's very important. You can't have Pac without the nose ring. That would be wild. So I think that is there. That's like the most important part to me, is the nose ring. I would be about upset on it if I didn't see that nose ring, but I think it's there. The drills are pre-bagged there as well. And I'm so in love with Pac. I love him as if I knew him. He has inspired so much in my life, in my writing. He was an activist for the people, for the Black community. Anyone that chose to misunderstand him, they were just choosing to not want to hear the truth. And I love that Pac always spoke the truth. That diamond painting means a lot to me. It's my favorite one in all of my collections. That is my favorite diamond painting. And that says a lot because I have accumulated a lot of diamond paintings. And I mean a lot of diamond paintings, but that is my favorite right now. So I can't wait to complete that one. We'll see if I get it done for my birthday month. Go ahead over and shop at Bunny Diamond Painting. I will keep an eye on their store just to see if they pop up with a Bob Marley. I feel like it only makes sense. They did Prince. They did Tupac. I feel like you got to have Bob. They've probably already had Bob at some point. I just missed it, but I will definitely keep a lookout on that. I also wanted to show how I'm storing these. I'm using these larger storage bags from Amazon that I purchased from Amazon to put these diamond paintings in since they didn't come in a special box. They are the perfect size to put my diamond paintings and my kits. So I'm just putting both Pac and Prince in those. So tell me what you use or what you recommend when you have diamond paintings that aren't in a special box. And if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for bearing with me. I know the audio is probably choppy, but put some money bags in the comments if you made it to the end of the video. Money bags or dollar signs. And I'll see y'all real soon.